Torabajimi free kick. Cú ball ra ra này cái ball number này là keeper nó great đấy. Torabajimi captain physical masalah yang dialami dah. Body push Bangsa number 18. Torabajimi number 18. Kemre So. Masalahnya number 8. Number 8 Mumrai Queen answer. So right. Rambu Bashiri out throw. Anishi even in match sadly.
3+ for advantage smash.
Experience versus physicality.
Yeah, no one station.
Toraja keeper naman talaga na dive talaga save side corner kick, second corner kick. Talaga na tayo na Toraja na bowling play, run fight play. Oh, intercept the top target. Rebounded to foul. Equally charged. The Sawi bangin na foul ni da pretty Calway. Torabajimi. Toraja keeper yung malungzang balay. Ball mong chimanay. Keeper aga sa ball mong chibay na. Helen split sami lagga na. Pass ka sa sami ka. Mga talang clear side. Toraway keeper. Toraway skipper. Toraway left hand attack shot lane. Number 9 na ball single. Number 9 na ball single lane. Shimei Shang na ball single lane. Jibble Zalaga really ball on a single player Manili on a Jibble Zalaga single lane number 14. Really ball score on a single passing the coach in the Samada. Amatarina two balls, attack Sanika. Rambun intercept side. Toraja captain. Number 18 mahi ki thakang da kung thakang da. Number 11 ng home delay, ng home career na home day. Out to right. Oh. Torawi out throw. Mubaj na counter sadly. Number 9, wrong up for Nampong Sinta Shineka with touch sa side up. Out throw sa play. Torabashi number 15 na Chan nang na. Ay ning man Torabashi captain number 18. Kemre soaping shot na. Kaya play. Kaya di mo pang nagudat. Torabashi intercept sa with the counter sadly. Toraja captain number 18 Ikra Ramos sa road lane. Talaga nag-intercept sa kuya. Gumagay na ball. Napay ko ligaw. Batang two balls out lane. Mahom na ligaw number 8 na sa akin ito. Clear side lane. Number 3. Natala yung left lane na kuya left lane. Gonzalo number 9. Shimei Shang na ball tingala ka. Two balls mix on ito. Keeper na to kuya. because the chair can confirm that way. So the touchy, a play, Adam Zumada, out of the goal kick, Zambui goal kick. And you can win a play. Number 17, the ball can play. Risky play. Oh, sorry. Number 11, the ball can play. Rilla, scoring the ball can play. Number 7. Ah. Number 16, sorry, number 16, intercept Gallagher ball. Number 9, from Nampam, the single. I like the crossing was a made. We'll go for the balls in foot lane, number 7. Torabash and balls among the left team because on the Sana and balls among area number 9, Tora with number 9, Shimis on the balls in big play. 2 versus 1. 2 versus 1, Zayder, Rambo Bash and Yere. 7, number 7, Tembo in a single leg. Tembo in the balls in the Torabash and deflects in the leg. Talent cross on me free, Rambo number 9. From free and the left, Talent cross on me. Heading to disappointing heading. Chance but Talak crossing but Talak is Axam Neka heading Shakespeare. I'm in the Muslim pass like a 100 ray. Ramu with number 9, the Matalis in Dalvere for Nampam Kasana. But Talak is fake Sami like a real on a ball single corner kick. Anami Kriga to Mliana. Triple Sata Gaini short to Durga. Talagan road like a sheep left Bahi. Ramui left wing Pangam Kasar, number 9. Number 6, Masot Gom Kasar. Masukung Kasar. Rambu with corner name. Kasar goes intercepts Alere. Number 17. Simulate. Single ball to the Torabash ball single on the supply. 4 versus 2. Ah, touch G. Great neither. Pressure dal mid lane. Pressure matas. Volley number 0. Volley Gazak Zane Mazudre. Number 20 Tora with number 20. Actually experience some feature striker and a real balls in lane. Mataina body shoots out lane. 16. Talaga maybe left the free does it like Cookie for the fight so into Kumere. Torabashi plays him Thai, Ruij him Thai, but Talaga mute like 16, Tora with 16 the finding money. Balls in the counter Thai. Assembling. Talk to lane number 3 by talk to lane. Oh, come on, Talak fake Sami laga. Cross Sag Zangle, read number 9. Purnampun Kasana balls in the leg, cross as a mere. But touch a heavy Sana either. Goal kick. Arika Zingronas are right ground and even massage in a players being first touchy. Tanam delay. Real Marcus Assassin, one good touch, Tommy Browe. Number 16, Somayansim in the ball, tuck a long shot and got Takazanaga. Force Malay with the keep on the fight so into Pere. Keep on the ball kick, tuck shot away. Matalagan tuck shot name. Karabu Bash in the clear side, right? The run the ball, someone here. Matalagan two balls, Zaxanica intercept side, right? number 12 na ball singlay. Ali number 3 na Matainan. Check sadly. Na ball singlay delay. Matay clear side number 16. Tora ba siya number 16 na? Sabi siya. Na ball singlay. Number 7 na ball singlay. Low. Shot Matay. Finally, force le shot aga kataknere ka accuracy na zakshinaida ball ta laga na zaktuida goal kick aside Tora ba shwi goal kick Tora with number 15 Changam katakti chere katakti force na ibada gabi ba na paikyat na wina intercept sabere ka Talaga na fake Samuel number 16 clear as aire kada mo ba siya ball sa aire Torabashi it's a perfect blend of experience and young blood nasa batapin manali na certainly experience playing na kindo na control sa mid game G kung nampong na 9 na cross sa akin dito ka oh madani clear sa aire ball sa mga area mo ba siya na touch imam dhanam da pangam pam na ball sa area number 9 mo ba siya left foot cross sa sa side leka 17 ba na ball sa cut tie ni zang kaya naman zang to eh Matay shot si Matay shot na pang substitute Number 11 Chogaire. Tora ba siya number 11 Chogaire. Number 10 Zangaure. Hangam right Khan Chogaire. Offside. Talain thai dai re Tora ba si as control ma talag na queen eh control ma tanai da Rabu ba si na foul sai re first touch we can ji chini na touch ma talai hui ka ba always no advantage ne Tora ba si free kick through ball ma talag mer ka Rabu ba si intercept sa hui laga counter ha side as thane ka Tora with number 20 RS Ting Queen Pavta laga ka thak shodai re through ball the curry naida outside Tora bachiwi goal kick Tora bachi veteran dingi na talang yo midlay na talang na dum adum game ni reta laga yo midlay Ball din sam sakit chune. Ball mat takwan ne ball kick. Out. Ramui. Out throw. Pressure here. Rabu bash na marmait laika. Tora bash na counter attack asali. Nak na ball kick jane. Foul throw. Zingun Sports era from Robin Fall from Masagoi Salo. Most basic he must not take over to Number 7, the ball signal number 7, 1-on-1, Zanika. What a defense. Number 15, Nachangam na. Kunu pai, talaga actually. Pressure ta hum ye na goal ji. Accuracy blame the out control hai. Tora bashi defense lane laganan pamnalay Rafu bashi we stamina kalay forward ka tongali Tora bashi we experience lay defense bashi na control sadlay number 9 the ball single cross sa ngay re ka clear salwe re number 6 the move number 6 masot bang na cross sa ngay ga clear salwe number 18 na Cut tuck the leg. Cut tuck the shit the leg. Nak kena mazam tu eh. Ramu bashi attack mer ngai mer sang dalai. Pressure mer ngai mer sang dalai. Goal ram raut dalai. Number 10. Tora bashi number 10 Ronaldo chops sa laga. Trick sa ga mini. Mathane clear sa mere. Mathane clear count them dancer. Je true bomb tani mid lane number 12. Count number 8. Tora with number 8. Mumri thing the pressure kamiyaina. Out chogere. Tora bashi weak goal kick. Tora bashi defense is so ngai. Experience play. Thi ai le ye. Mumri ko dam ne. Game matai rit sa lagno the cleaning. Oh. Ramos na matalang real mid lane. Experience lagi ada. Experience lagi. Turabashi defense matalang real lane. Ramubashi skill pace kya kali salla. Turabashi defense. Makaider dre. Mermaid hot na lo. Talaga na. Through bomb talim here number 9. Oh, shot here. Power play mo daw. Fine na save sa here. Matay. Miscommunication lane nak kay. Ramubash na bowling wheel number 9. For Nampon na bowling the lane number 9 leftly. Number 17 ball ko liye number 17 Sochan na bowling the talaga na right wingly. Diagonal pass ka sana ka. Force number na to the Taliere. Risky pass ka. They made it. Ramubash boss mo mere. Ramubash number 8. Na matalang na pass ka miksana ka. Tora na intercept sa lagar Ramu na ball kulire. Ramu na ball sing good lay. Ramu with number 8 kung Honsing na. Tora na ball sing true ball matalang mere number 20 Nasamdalay kapayam lang net katakchi. Nasamdalay pressure midlay. Pressure jana tukule pressure bhai kami the real lane experience versus experience UAE. Nine them time cross as an control the Dutch is actually Dutch mo come down with disadvantage jine. Power Mladre. Number 7 Saka. Bukayo Saka na actually power blame the keeper na fine na to kumire. Mata true bomb itay number 12 kung Ramsona singdali ball singdali. Right in the ball singdali na fake sa like a cross sa zang nay. Keeper na actually ka. Keeper na talaga save sa mire. Ball singdi cross sa zang nay. Clear Zaire. Ramon Bolsing with like. As Matan fake number 6 na fake something. Long shot the Tainika. Zang nakanim zang to Almost. Kanini shi goal zang na ayan ang masang labang lay. Kibashi na zang renik lay. Kibashi na deadlock ki. Sa kainik lay. Narali yung isa. Chili power blame da. Ramubash intercept sa kulire. Ria. Ramuba Chui, outro. Ramuba Chui, outro. Ramu number 2 ball single lay. Actually right in the road lay. Right in the through ball. Trying to tie Reka. Receive Sapa Mimlay with the outro ray. Toraba Chui, goal kick. Match interesting zat lay kanini shi. Interesting zat lay kanini shi equal match ne. Torabashna goal kick to Taire. Intercept salary cut Torabashna samang way ray. Ramubashna intercept salary ray. Number 17 the ball single lay, dying single lay. Ma talay ne flick sa kamik sane ka ball jigat touching hai bisa naida. Torabashi with out throw. Foul throw. Foul throw. Foul throw. Zington Bashi out throw ke we workshop darkar zai re. Out throw ke li foul throw na ming rock lay. Out throw ke ri tam katam darkar zai re. Asmat dikia swat really but no by break. Time cross. Offside. Offside. Ramubashi with offside. Torabashi free kick, right? Just shot across Clemdadere. Katorabachi with out throw. Substitute. Ramubachi number 8. Number 8. Hon Singh Shogaire. Number 4. Zangaire. Number 4. We aming mazang turay. Number 12 la substitute Saure. Number 12 Ngampam Lunglo. Hoy Mahut. Number 10 le Tim Lisli mazang turay. Outro. Ramubashi with outro. Foul throw ka chung nai re. Throw di ka yen zai. 18 versus experience versus young blood. Ramos versus Ronaldo. 7 versus 18.
Hello. Men's volleyball here, third match with Wang El Punta in a ding song. Then Sanglag and Ro Midley, Ryan Misello, Ragadon Misello. Kala women's volleyball here, third match. Sonda versus Talina, Ro Migida, Ranaire, Sonda versus Talu. Kanini best wishes Midley.
Torashi Sergio Ramos na outro hegi jere. Matai outro je. Kamu kuira mada Ramubashi na outro sale ore. Goal kick matalagan katakai ka intercept sag jiwa control mam tana to the Ramubashi na ball samang mere. Ramubashi number 10, number 9. From the pass. Right and attack sadly number 3 and attack sadly. Number 6 cross Matalmi Gasang Zanaka. Touch Shimam Thana to the intercept Sago the clear Zaire. Ramubashi Bolsing with lay. Cross doesn't with lay, cross with quality Zakshinaida. Intercept Zaire. Samang Were Ramubashi number 4. From upon the ball, Samang Were. From upon the ball, Samang Were. Number 4, Kumre Horn, a single ball. Cross Sag Zanaka. Cross speed. Clear Zaire. Really ball, Rambubashi play. Rambubashi pressure. The last 5 minutes pressure. Rambubashi more make high. Number 10, the ball's in play. Matarangeli fake Salaga. Long shot, Gazag Zanaka. Target Muzilla. Ayar Shogaire. Rambu with number 10. Gampam, long shot outside the D box. Try Gazanaka. Actually, similar to that. Yasho Tere. Torabashi with goal kick. Number 6 na Singdatley, number 6 na Singdatley. Number really Rambu na Singdatley for Gampam na ball Singdatley. Number 9 left wing na for Gampam na ball Singdatley. Ang na tehi. Ani understanding thale rotley 1-on-1 Yolaga. Rodley, advantage mere. Medical team Yakazan Milo. Philip Tzere. Rambui number 10. Rambubashi medical team ng Samsung Milo. CS maksada ye ring kai re. CS maksada ring kai re. Power. Arila Rambu 0 Tora 0. Rambu 0 Tora 0. Match interesting sa laklay. Kanini sini by chance lately. Shogere, Torabashi with goal kick. Play. Dangerous game, dangerous play. Number 16 now. Clinical Masatata, three number 7. Rambu with number 7. Tempo is Zimik. Sanga by chance, Liana. Wrong decision, Greda. Keeper na fine and a safe some area. Clinical Gasada Garzadle, he met Ringayaka. Foul. Torabachi with free kick. Torabashi number 20. Queen of Takijere. Torabashi number 20. Queen of Takijere. Matai Truba Mizanere Jili chance late number 14. Chess control the Kazakshinaida. Ball Shimanere. talay na attack sa lay counter sa lay ka o ka defense na matana ida intercept sa guere through ball matala mid lay so kung dai mid na offside atang dora ba siya attack sa kay dong le ru shot sim hamay tweet lay ka clash line offside tay re shot accuracy shot with power ji ka matama ka ba zang ka by chance la ke Corona intercept sa guere number 14 the ball single through ball kami sana ka mi player blame da remember ba siya intercept sa guere player sa re oh 16 nam dana hat ina ka to zami number 14 ball single lay karam bushi number 6 na intercept sa lagang sambale masot rila na ball single lay right na sambale number 10 na ball single re touches akshi naida outro remove bashi with outro free kick remove bashi with free kick talent talk the direct number 10 ball single with lay Kataki Jerek Kataki corner side Tora baji defense mai thara rang ning mid lay veteran mangi ka adum experience chichin laga atang mai na keep control sa mid lay ne remove bashi na attack after attack ta salla goal ma sanal pam lay Tora bashi defense strong ai remove bashi corner kick Kataki Jerek horngam pam number 9 li goal ma sang nikle yang usai Talent thai zangai ka shoulder push aida foul mere Tora bashi with free kick matalay na number 10 matalay na from region tana queen of flick sa mere ka khana samje khat tap na ida ari flick je matai your Premier League quality with flick like queen of flick sa mi je time ning ne thak mai dang samsai je ba samang la rồi Tora bashi with out throw number 20 na Hergi Jere number 20 Umtin Queen Hergi Jere ashi with veteran player agne ata nam dana game control zamid le Rio Queen Rio 6 Ramos na pass ka sa na ka ata player zamire oh to the rim misjudge Zaida to number 7 na para tempo in his ball signal le keeper rak na samshung la ka matala ina ka thachok mere matai keeper mi yong shok sa zik jiba goal la ke ori one on one situation le keeper na mi yong shok sa jiba goal la ke keeper na yong shok jiba goal ma zanar to way out throw ai re ramu ba shi out throw remove Tora bashi with out throw nai re goalie na bogai re bashi na zang niklim dem dai out throw foul throw you match he foul throw finally sik chiva organizers ne pesa ko chung na samangai sare foul throw of the foul throw Matale cross zangai re Pura open net free goalie atung kathakada goal masang riture ramu bashi goal ka chung na miss sai re bashi we outro. Bashi na yak chance missa gahi. Asham regret masane klay. Only time will tell. Number 7 the ball single number 7 the ball single left na. Number 10 the ball single lay. Number the ball single be. Tala na chile left number pass badal ye. One touch, oh, miss pass side. Ah, see ball come turn out the way. Foul, free kick. Are we? One-on-one chance. They can't go and random Jane of foul. Mere Rufina. Torabashi. Free kick at Takure. Goal sang paila kais position ne. Actually, veteran number 20. Veteran number 20. Umting kui na takatay. Aningai re. Ronaldo is starting the technical. Messi is starting technically. Or Ward-Prowse is starting technically. You say. Are we coming position starting younger? Girls hasn't round lay. Are we experience? Go don't we show like Taki Jere. Something comes something like you say. Oh, fine. Ada tu premier. Half time. Tora 0, Rambu 0. Talagang real tayo re. First half li ko masangro tuloy ka. Second half li. Kada sa niklay. Talagang real le. Rambu versus Tora. Rambu na blue sang naglibashi ne, Tora na kachar sang naglibashi ne. Second half of Bogi Jere, first half Kukai Tungli score he 0-0 in lately. Second half Biliki Bashi ne goals on play. You must say first half Rambu Bashi attack Chumi the side. Clinical Mazana the chance struck a miss away. Tora Bashi defense Maita da Ashi experience the Lakai defenders been Ashi we clean sheet he maintains other clean really he we rate in the real Bashima Gaba penalty in the Senpai Kalaya was set. Tora versus Rambu. Third match, second half. Hapugi Jere. Rambu baji substitute kani zangai 11 and 15. Team kani ni tactical change stango kale. First half wing reo gaiji analyze salaga team kani ni tactical change salaga player gata phokisho mokale. Kana zanikle you tactical change in our bone produce zanikle yang masai. Really hopeful advertise that like. Rồi Rambu Bashi kata pokrai. Manager na advice middle claim thani claim sai. Rambu na pokrai re. Ball sing na. Ashi tactical change za jana for ngampam number 9 atang wing reok sa baji center defense direct center back Tora baji we out throw Tora baji number 16 ras left back and ngasam dalaga out throw na headle ma talang nijli heading zag min sanai. Oh, number 11 ng samdalay, number 11 one on one. Oh, jili Ronaldo chops alaga. Then pick Zamire jili Rambu Bashi we tactical change. The team take away number 11 second half Zangbo kale na. Tora Bashi we defense liya na matay disturb samid lay. Rambu Bashi we corner kick. Inatan kang sa Tora Bashi defensive five ning mune. Ashi one on one chili sa sala shi masan lapam dak lay ne. Rambu Bashi pressure mer ngai mer sandalay. Corner kick Rambu Bashi na corner kick. Talang thai sang san. Oh. Zan kind of zam to goal kick. Tora Bashi goal kick. Number 7, remove number 7, the ball sindal way. Left flank kinda attack sagita. Filled up suddenly. 15 pay Kangal and tired. Oh. Keeper ki kuning lay lam day to reach. Matu kuila jili toy kan thakje ya pham da dre. Kalama highlight the goal mazang to way. Tora Bashi you pare as a kalam highlight. Takji accuracy mlem the out chugai re. Rambu Bashi pressure mer ngai mer sangalai. Tora Bashi defense shot ngai shot sangre. Number 4 na balls in the left and takes out lay. Pangampam Number 2. Torabashin ball sing lere. Ramabashin intercepts ago lere. Clear chula na saga ire. Torabashin ball sing lere 14 now. Foul. Offside. Offside. Torabashin Ramos na thaki jere. Oh, true ball side like Zanika. Intercept Samieda. Ramabashin ball sing lere. Ramabashin number 7 pushing Ronaldo. No look faster than the fast time here. 15 the ball in here. Ramabashin takes Alere. Samdadle number 7. Mang Samrer with the Humpire with the ball out Chogere. Goal kick. Torabashin with goal kick. Second half Hagobo Kena Torabashin. Ramabashin half. Matara Lapam Lay. Ramabashin attack Maitara the Sadley. Kala Torabashin defense. He come and tie the goal. Lay. Ball. Okay, foul. Torabashin free kick. Talagang time here. Clear and Denzal Mire number 4 na. Number 18. Turawi Ramos na clear Zam Mire. Dependable like siya defensive. As na zingom na Darkrek may experience may tatang gawdat lay. Ramabashin defense, Ramabashin attack. Matara labom na lay. Torabashin defense. Matana ida. Torabashin with goal kick. Torabashin with goal kick. Intercept Salere. 11 the balls in the lay. 11 and Talang yung mid lay. Talang 11 yung lay. Talang 60 pass mere. Oh, Torabashin defense clears Zami lay. Ramabashin number 6 na ball. Number 3 na ball sa mga number 3 na ball. Oh. Number 11 na ball sa hindi. Oh, clear Zaire numbers. Oh. Number 10 naman talaga na. Oh. 16 na. Talaga na ball. Number 10 na ball sa hindi. Oh, Zaire number 10. Mahong bila right. Ramabashin na outthrow. Free and a mere. Oh, touching ka heavy. Oh, 11 ngahom win rawe. Ngahom win like. Ah. Shoot ka sana ka. Nasa the way timing di machata da. Outchok na may Torabashin with goal kick. Number 14 balls in play. Pass accuracy of none of the intercepts number 15. Oh! Number 11 the flick salaga balls in Are we cross my tar tags on number 11 now? Kaya sa zugwi laga flick design na keeper Jekui Paida. Safe Masara with the goals in Rambu 1, Tora 0. Rambu 1, Tora 0. Tâm này vui, come back with tâm này vui. Mang rơ mà này. Inatang khang da Ramabashin technical change kaza 11 second half like zangin now. Goal produced Zaire. Torabashin equalize saniga. Mani ga oh matalin. Corner kick. Actually, namay da complain zadlay kana out katik namo katakshogay da corner kick when mere Torabashin with corner kick. Turabachi number 20. Actually veteran number 20. Kung Ting Kui nagtijere. Alex Telles with a whip pa nagtagsang idera na. First postly. Oh! Foul. Turabachi player na Ramu player ka na may ibang na foul nilaga. Free kick. Ramubachi with free kick. Ramubachi left wing in na. Zodadle. Oh, jidit. Matalang true ball kami zane ka. Ground with unevenness in the sarang da. Oh! Chile peng tak mo re. Medic. Samsung Milo. A play versus a bay, a rookie versus a rookie side the cook Zyle by. A rookie so high Kanini. Mungachi la ball at take a sunny. Could look really shock for me. 50-50 goals and by chance, 50-50 saves out by chance. Kanini. Pasamang lahi. Goal kick. Goal kick. Turabachi with out throw. Turabachi number 4 Hedi. Turabachi number 4 Tamarisha. Foul. Turabachi with free kick. 2 versus 1 ni Miyakali player Nina. Namaida. Turabachi with free kick mere. Almost something like this. Referee decision mi gaidi complaint zala problem ne. Tora with Alex Telles nagtaki jere. Alex Telles Kung Ting Kui, number 20. Death goal specialist. Whip and across hasn't it like that. Number 11, the ball's in play. Number 11. Ah! Oh! Matarang may tarang samdad number 11 may tarang samdad lay. Matarang sa cross sad lay ka. Cross slip out mo lay mo da. Intercept side ka ball relax na shimpuye. Ball singpuye. Number 11 the ball singpuye. Ah! Kachuin ay clear Zaire. Outro. Ramubachi with outro. Flicks on here. Katak choklo here. Outro. Ramubachi with outro. Number 3 Hegi Jere. Number 3. 15 the ball single. Namshan the ball single. Matang kathai ne. But keeper le chara bazai da. Keeper no pai kenani saves on here. Number 4, number 4 nga samda lay tackle. Kak nga samje tak na iga balance mueda a kongli tai re. Ramubachi na intercept salwe re. Matalay na clear outside re. Ramos na chest control zag sana ika touch ika heavy zana ida ball sa mundo re. Something number 15 na something like number 15 Gamshang na something. Mataray na true ball kami na. Oh, keeper nang samso kay Ray. Oh, try Jim Thai play. Tak nukle. Dorabashi substitute sagi Jere. Number 10, shot like number 19. Number 19, Zangi Jere. Next is number 6. Tora with number 6. Lead number 17. Change. Sagi Jere. Tora Bash technical change. Zalaga substitute Khani Zangai. In a call produced Mazani playing, I would say. Chess Matali, chess control. Then Zai. Number 15, the ball team, Gamshanu ball team, clear Zaire. Carry ball from Bule, Fierilla. Oh, almost. Matai tournament Lee. Rush me heading. Matadak something like to make her reach in Matami Tidley so far. To Matami Paifi. Oh, number 4. Oh, we flight cheat. Big Mazar with the Sami Dere. Foul Miere. Torabashi with free kick. Header to Nopali, Aquili, Mieda. Foul Miere. Torabashi with free kick. Sergio Ramos, number 18, Taigi Jere. PSG on the veteran. Another the red Torabashi with team on the veteran. Salagan, Yomitle. Experience over age. Number 515, Gamshan Bang Romile. Torabashi with outthrow. True ball talang here, number 11, true ball talang here actually. Oh, touch heavy Zanaida. Yellow card. Number 11, yellow card. Kangachane, ball Kangabaili, 50-50 foul the show plunge. Ala goal Zanai Naida by hook or by crook. Ball na pai plungra the Sali. Foul Zaga Naiju, yellow card sa Mangaire. Number 11, Chipembi Kasar. Number 10, the ball's in play. Oh, Chipembi the ball, someone ready.
Hello. Men's volleyball wibang Raute kala ringwi ramhon with team kanina ready Samiruno chuwang Raute aina ringwi ramhon with team manager kanini na kabaw ko ni Shadle akava apamili karamilo itong ngasan kabay lehere Raute kala ringwi ramhon with team manager ping nanina apamili katak aina karamilo kabaw ko ni Shakava Kalikada team managers ping malay sa ichidala any representative Raute kala ringwi ramhon kani iwe any representative na issue announcing butili karamiang no ngasan kamay lay delay nishna kiran
Rudy foul. Kalikada Zameda foul. Razubashi with free kick. Tora ba shi equalize mazaga ba chot ngai chot la bai number 10 ball ngahom guire chi cut back sa laga number 11 dik chi pem le cut back asane ta chi khazak shinai da ta chi heavy sanai da handball referee na whistle mo kong ga thak wi bangai na retake ka thak rishit rai chi pem le handball ka tawi bangai na free kick ni re Tora ba shili Tane flick sa ka direction ji macha na anta da intercept samil hai re number 10 the single play ball number 10 Rambu Bashi number 10 Namton the single play oh chipemi the ball single play chipemi the Rambu Namton the ball samang hai re but thalan ji trick sa laga so Salile ball Tora ba shi someone of players zaire players zarane Tora ba shi ball single receive sa ba play mada ra zinda deire Chipemi number 11 the ball single laga no number 8 number 9 intercept sami laga out the shogaire out throw Rambu we out throw Anishi is Mernokle Chipemi the ball single le Nampam the ball single laga Matalan chile fake sa laga number 15 the ball single le 15 the ball single le 6 like a tuck chinega accuracy mle mada ra ayaga to shogaire next match we players being Zanguman Malay Adam Chalagan Razam Kamivan Ding Shi Pongshokle he will match Kupsangi Jere next match with Team Kaninina ready Zalag Raimi Salo Adam Mang Vai Kup play Habogi Jine Rambu Bashi na Tora Bashi pressure but talagin mid lane Rambu Bashi attack na Tora Bashi defense but talagin pressure mid lane Tora Bashi Rambu Bashi we half limb tarar through Chipemi na ball single Chile left pali mishangai re cross sak sang ima talagin cross sak minika keeper na tupi na may re clear Gazaji keeper we clear Gazaji matalan number 15 ngam shan na matalan player ko tumna na dribble sa laga cut back sa siya ka player mlay sa mada number 10 number number 11 chipem ina zang na karim zang tuway he right ay nagkathag side the left ay nagkathag kiki magthagro to the right we out for nagkathag zangli accuracy mlay mada ina shok tuway thana clear sa milere chipem mi hamstring singa zatlay arwi attempt li hamstring sa gai thali thalaga na jili number 4 Tora Bashi number 4 matalang Rodley Tamri Shakraman Chipemi na ball single mi kanina ali number 10 Nampong free kick Zangbai lak kahit position na kane Rambu Bashi kipana thainik lai number 10 na thainik ga 11 na thainik ga 7 na thainik la shi mi tumaning le ball zanga by chance nahi li zanga cover Tora Bashi khat chorau la bai 2-0 ka ay ka ba control all by kalima sang ka ba tora ba si chance lay fui chipem mina tak thakit hat lay number 11 chipem mina free kick output ani ka takasana ka accuracy lay to number 7 Rambu with number 7 substitute Machegi Jane number 7 out number 14 in Maybe the ball someone where 3 versus 1 in the Samdale, 3 versus crossover Zalaga na fake Zalaga ka. Intercept sa ko number 8 na clear sa mere. Ko ball rambuj na someone where number 6 na balls in lay. The technique ka gadaning lay. Offside. Pass mo milag thakay sa sig siya offside dam re. Ano pass mi je na offside ta gai nahi. Rumui keeper sik ko gai re. Action mag dai wi bang. Tora baj na kallum shanda ete ka sam yolo. Ariot le foul. Medical team thak ta tang samsang milo kuisa zai re. Kuisa zai re medical team thak tang samsang milo. The Saga something Samane. I think I come lung sang lakan and a goal 2-0 ka by situation and some shock like a queer defense shock Zane. Lichi Pemi Namatai Zanger with a goal Mazang do it. Number 9 home the lega mong home from the Ramuba should be out throw. Kanok siyang Milo. Ramuba number 15 ball sindai Sindai attack size lay. Matalag na rila na dribbles out lay, balls in the lay, ball control rila na balls in the lay. Number 11 offside. 11 naming na left wing bali miya sa 6 offside tam right. Kapag niyo tam na ba. Vision katulaw eh. Tora na clear sana ka. Accuracy blame da. Namu kasi intercept sa kuliere. talang ito finally one good clearance. Corner, actually miscommunication le ida. Keeper nang sang joke on goal tanak kay na matatu eh. Corner bang saire Ramu bashi with corner. Ramu with corner. At talagang tagmire. Oh, si volley nang nigag siya, but almost. Attempt to Ramu bashi mer may card asad le. Katura bashi defense le may thara tang ring le. Goal thanatay kagabay chance le exane ka. Defense na thana ida goal akay na miyan sa tum le. Attack le kamar may sa sim thami re. Handball. Oh, foul. Ramu bashi with free kick. Ramu with number 2 ng Takijere. Nak kaya mazang dure. Foul. Torawi free kick. Tora baji keeper dane save sa mid lane. Torawi free kick. Tora baji thak mazang ka ba tamta na maurai. Attack keeper may da sak way. Konalo.
Football next match Vivang Somdul kala tainem we player pingna eligibility test Vivang stage we shong hi rasang mirano ya shong pahira mirano. Football next match Somdul kala tainem ngarewi dalay da kala Vivang players pingna should be stage we right side chong pahi ra mirano eligibility we tesa kawai Vivang rasang mirano.
Rambu with corner kick. Volley attempt mazane ka. Connection jimlay mada. Talagang na mazut huwe. Clear gasali kiya daida. Corner kick sire. Rambu with number 9. Pong Takijere corner kick. Very poor corner kick. Counter attacking Sara Nigle. Controls of Schneider. Out Troy. Number 4. Pasatio Rekchine. Makandale. Pasatio Salam Makandale number 4. Versus 4. Number 4 versus number 4. Number 4 versus number 4. Gazali to Rajni Hui like a out throw some high. Clear Gazali in out throw. Turabashi out throw. Zangbai free. Turabashi Zangbai chance le. Clear Zam here number 10 na. Chipemi ng Mahomdale ball. Long shot attempt Mazane. Kata na ida Mazan earth ray. Chipemi hamstring. Sasagay thali. Kina sam shi confirm sa namne. Number 15 nga ngam siya na matay mi gatumati dribble sa talaga matsan offside na sa labis to reflect si matay tsaka kag may position na save sang medyo kapayang din Tora ba siya keeper na matay save sang midlay defense club keeper ba siya na save matay sa midlay clear gazana ka clear gazaji. Goal kick. Goal kick. Torabashui goal kick. Chipem in the balls in with like 2 versus 1. 2 versus 1 note like number 10 lip pass mere cross and then socks something. Ah, number 9 ji pain of toxic queen heads as a glim time the decision really in a split second lip ball to can't do football liver within split second decision cover finishing ji mumta legich ne a pile kanka a pile kanta kanini mumta to Torabashi out throw. Rabu ball intercepts the catch and take left flank and take Sagi Chilwere. Yom Dudley number 14 Yomley. Diagonal side chains are like us. Chili intercepts Aguirre, number 3 balls in the lane. Number 20 ball Piliere. Ramos. Number 10, rushing line 11, the ball was number 10, volleyball milaga. Offside trap chi. Chirikata the Musang Jiklista. Zanglagere. Number 15, the goal Zangaire. Namshan Zimik. The goal Zangaire. Ramvu 2, Tora nil. Ramvu 2, Tora nil. Finally, Torabashi defense cutting jeep bridge Salaga goal doesn't wait. 2-0. Chance left we Premier League ni minute kanini goal kani zang kazang situation later play ne. Talang cross ada mere. Number 8 the ball's in play right wing and attack sadly. Ma talang actually fake salagan. Ma talang wrong play. Torabashi out throw. 14 versus 14. Chipem ng samla yong actually cut back kasami. Talang Zangaire 15 na Zangaire. Namshan Zamek 15 na Zangaire. Assist number 11 Chipem na assist sami laga number 15 Namshan Zamek na matalagay na. Tay Zangaire mi kanili fake salaga left foot na rocket Tay Zamere. Rambu 3 Tora 0. Torabashi shot kazangi thei height le first half li lai khang reo ne the second half li shot ro kai da veteran ka chumai da kung sami ka shot ro kai re chili Rambubashi ne advantage ko la ka do tung mere Sazar actually cramp Sazar cramp show the cramp serious ning bunai kamar nang samay ka cramp show kulmay football kamar kang chanay
medical pashi stretcher khuira mirono medical pashina stretcher khuira mirono
Namshan ziming na ball sing lay 15 ball committee tao ni ko yang usay o 15 dan oh Namshan ziming number 15 na awi hat-trick Quilagare number 15 Namshan Zimik from Rambu hat-trick hero Taira Zui match ball na sa mga uli Rambu 4 Tora 0 Tora lam talang road lay Kalawi Twine balls in play. Option is missing here. Handball. Reach a ground now. Even massage na eh. Kyung hi pai. Full time. Rambu 4, Tora 0. Matalang Miyomere Tora Bashila. Team Kangdesa Nichiva called Tarala Zangai Sabai Kasashi defense. May tala the experience le lakay defenders mga matalang Yoda Migaine. Second half li Zingum na raw with the stamina ka. Nazan Sangai the ball concept sa kaine ni kashi matalang raw tayo. So ngai Rambu Bashli, congratulations. Hat-trick Hiroli, congratulations.